Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Jamaica's under-17 Reggae boys are off to a winning start at the CONCACAF Championship, the final round of World Cup qualifiers in Guatemala. They beat St. Lucia 3-1 in their opening match on Monday evening in Guatemala City. Seymour Reed opened the scoring for the Jamaicans in the 12th minute. Daria White then extended their lead in the 50th before Jamari Nolan added the third in the 54th. Chevron Bryan got St. Lucia's consolation in minute 73. They will next take on the Cayman Islands on Wednesday. The young Jamaicans, who need to win the group to advance to the FIFA Youth World Cup later this year, are however second in the group on goal difference, as El Salvador opened their account with an 8-0 drubbing of the Cayman Islands in the other group game on Monday. The Jamaica Premier League and Sagicor have announced a renewed partnership that will see hundreds of players and officials from teams participating in the nation's top flight being provided with insurance benefits. CEO of the PFJL, Owen Hill, has welcomed the partnership while emphasizing its importance to the stakeholders in the league.
It's an important relationship. It's speaking to the overall health and wellness in a specific way, insurance for the players, for the officials, for the teams who are going to be participating within the Premier League, and we're happy.
While there have been no talks of potential challengers for the posts of President and Vice President for the upcoming Cricket West Indies elections, incumbent Dr. Kishore Shallow says he's yet to make a decision on whether he'll be seeking a second term in office. Nominations have opened for the President and Vice President posts and will close on the evening of February 26.
Well, I continue to discuss the potential, the prospects with my colleagues at CWI. And, if you're talking in terms of elections coming up in March, then, when the time is right, then I'll make that decision.
Neither Dr. Shallow nor Vice President Azim Bazarat have publicly declared their intentions to return to office. But Dr. Shallow says should there be support from the stakeholders, he will no doubt seek a second term.
I'm considering it. I'm open to, going on for another term. It is something that I will have to obviously decide once I have finished my consultation with the other directors. And if the support is there and the desire is there for me to continue, then I'm committed.
The upcoming 26th Annual General Meeting of Cricket West Indies is scheduled for March 29 at a location to be announced. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.